Good morning. Today we're going to use Canva Pro using a free trial to go from a regular homemade headshot to a nice corporate headshot that you can use for your LinkedIn. First, I want you to go ahead and go to the Canva website. Upload the photo that you want to use. Once we upload the photo, we want to go into Magic Studio. The first thing we're going to do is hit Background Remover. It's going to automatically remove your background. From there, we're going to find any objects that we want to erase. In my case, I want to get rid of this microphone. That's pretty easy to do using the Magic Eraser tool. After a few tries, I am able to completely remove this microphone. The first thing I did, though, is decrease my brush size to give me a little bit more precision in my edit. In this case, it took a couple of tries. So bear with me. After a couple of tries, I was able to completely remove any signs that there was a microphone on my blouse. So if you have a nice picture that you want to use and there's an object there, don't let that hinder you. So again, took a couple of tries, but after a while, I was able to completely erase the microphone. From there, we're going to go to Background Generator, and we're going to put in a prompt telling Canva what we want the background to look like. In my case, because I'm wearing a yellow kind of chartreuse blouse, I want it to pick a complementary color like a pale turquoise or blue. You may have to try a couple of times until you get the exact color that you want, that you feel complements your skin tone as well as your outfit and looks professional or playful or whatever you want. You can also ask Canva to make a suggestion. So it's going to give you a few selections. Again, you can prompt it again. You can ask it to generate again. But I thought this background was good. From there, we're going to go to filters. You can pick all sorts of filters. In my case, I personally like the way the arrow filter looked in this picture and with my skin tone. But you can see there's lots of choices here. You can even add a vignette effect. That was nice. I did that on one of the versions of this photo. Okay, so from here, I am going to go ahead and retouch my face a little and just blur my skin just to, get rid of some of the imperfections. And I'm not trying to look 12, but, it'd be nice to smooth the skin out a little bit. And for our finishing touch, we're going to go ahead and crop the photo to give us just that professional headshot look that we want. Again, we're able to go from a homemade headshot to a nice corporate photo that we can use for LinkedIn or job applications or what have you in less than 4 minutes. Okay, I'm trying to give myself a little bit of space above my head. I'm cutting out that extra space on either side of my shoulders. Don't want to be zoomed in too close, but we want just the right headshot. Make sure you're centered. Make sure your head is taking up about a good 1/3, that center third of the photo, at least. Because remember, when you are appearing under post and such in LinkedIn, you're going to be shrunken down to a really tiny picture. So, go ahead, don't be shy. From here, you can go ahead and go to the top right corner and download your new corporate headshot.